Hello guys and welcome back to Wave of Well. Today I'm going to show you how to easily change your language in your Shopify account. So what we need to do here, we need to go to your account, of course, and in the bottom left corner you have a settings option. You need to press on it. That's step number one. So this huge menu on the left side will pop up. We need to scroll down a bit and go to languages section. Here you can see speak your customer's language. Adding translations to your store improves cross-border conversion by an average of 13%. It's free and takes minutes. You can add language right here, press on it and select a language. But if you want to change your default language right here, what you need to do is to press on these three dots right here, change default, and then you can see checkout and system. English translations will be made to the chart, checkout, and etc. Team English translations will be made to your current team and teams in your team library. So for example, we will choose Danish. Why not? And you can see that Danish right here, translations will be added and changed. Of course, you need to press on save, but we're not going to do that because, of course, we do not speak Danish. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video.